Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm just gonna complete a survey in front of you guys. As you can see, how many sleeping rooms do you have? So, guys, yeah, it's a survey that they need on Toluna. So they're giving me 50 cent dollar if I'm going to complete. So, how many sleeping rooms do you have? Three or more? Next. How would you characterize the place where you live, urban, whatever, suburban, rural, okay? You can say rural, yeah. Do you consider yourself the primary grocery shopper in your household? Yes. So, okay, I'm just gonna wait for the connection to connect so that we can move on, guys. We can move on. So, guys, I wanted to just like show you how you can complete this service. Please make sure you completed your profile based. Okay. What I'm trying to say, guys, is that when you complete your profile, make sure you are honest. Just because the information that you give this website is the information that they're going to use when they're giving you survey. So make sure you're giving them the real information, guys. Fixed internet survey. Okay. Which of the following fixed internet solution do you currently have at home? Fibri, what is this? Fixed LTE, ADSL. Which of the following fixed internet solution? Oh, Fibri. I don't know all these, guys. I'm not just going to lie. I'm going to just choose LTE. Which age bracket do you fall under? Age bracket 18 to 25? So, who is your current fixed internet service provider? Okay, for me, it's Celsi. Where is Celsi, guys? Yeah. Okay, where is Celsi, guys? Vox, MTN, Ada, Supersonic, Africa, Rain. I don't know, guys. I can just choose Ada just because I don't see Celsi, guys. Yeah. I'm using Celsi for now. Maybe we'll get that 50 cents. We don't know, but let's wait, guys. What is your postal code? And then I'm gonna put it just like, guys. This is what they asked me lately when I register. When I register, guys. So 1246 is 1246. I'm just gonna click continue. Okay, I'm just gonna cancel this one. 1246, guys. So if you study or studied up to what level do or did you study? Bachelor? Prefer not to say. I'm not studying. I haven't studied at university college. That's me. Just gonna come here, guys. So what is your level of education? Non-formal education, primary school, secondary school. Okay, it was secondary school. Okay, let's wait again. Remember, guys, this survey, what complete. As you can see, guys, I just got 0.62 cent. This one, guys, I don't know. Let me check if how much is that. Guys, as you can see, because I gave them real information, I'm having that money for now, guys. I have that money. Make sure when you create your profile on Toluna, give them the give you the right amount of money that you're looking for, guys. Make sure you do that so that they're going to take that information and use it when they ask questions. So it was simple for me just because I gave them the real information, guys. So we're just gonna calculate that just because now the rent is high. So I don't know how much is that. So I'm just gonna like that one, guys. It was 60 whatever. It was $62. They say they're going to like, okay, based on your profile, you qualified for this survey. So I'm just gonna take this one again. I'm just gonna take this one. It's 22 minutes. They just gonna like consume my 32 minutes. But I'm just gonna take this one. $62, guys. This one is $62 times 18. $62 times 18. What is that? Not $62, guys. Not $62, guys. Not 62, ne? It's not 62. It's 62 cents. So I'm just gonna cancel again, and then we're just gonna come again. Where is canceling? Okay, this one is cancel, and then like I'm gonna like call 0.62 times 18. Okay, guys, is 11 is what? 0.62 times 18 is 11.6 16. This is not real, guys. This is not real. I'm not sure if it's right or wrong. Calculator might be wrong. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna go back now. I'm just gonna go back and complete that survey that they want me to complete just because I'm running out of time. So I'm just gonna agree to the terms. Just gonna agree. Just gonna agree or accept all. Okay, guys. So if you could have any superpower, which one would you want to or why? What can I say, guys? I would want to be uh I would I would want to be Spider-Man. Wow, Spider-Man. Would like to be Spider-Man. Uh because I want to fly. I want to go anywhere, guys. I want to fly. Okay, cool. Okay. Secondary school graduate. Secondary school vacation training. What is your education level? Primary school, secondary school graduate. Okay. So gonna answer this one, guys, and see if we're going to get that money that we want. So we have like a lot of surveys, guys. I was born, guys. They want me to lie. Like June, yeah, it's 2000. Choose a year. What year were you born? Between what if between 2002, 1990. I'm a male. I was born June 2000, 2002. Okay, guys. I think the video will be long, guys. They're going to ask me a lot of things. Yeah, I don't want to make this video long. Please, Thank you for watching. Go to Toluna and register. As simple as that. Make sure you put the right profile, guys, so that you can like be able to be here on this platform, guys. As simple as that. So now I'm just gonna click back, guys. I'm done with my profile, guys. I'm not going to take this survey for now. I'm not willing to take this survey for now just because uh I wanna do something, guys. Just because this one is long and I don't wanna make this video long. Okay. So I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe to your boy TMK. Make sure you like and subscribe to your boy TMK. I wanted to show you guys how to do this, but you need to do that, guys. I'm just gonna like complete my survey later just because it's 22 minutes and I don't want to make this video long.